Ever feel like a zombie on your night shift? Like you're barely surviving, let alone thriving? What if I told you there's a way not just to survive the graveyard shift, but feel alive and kicking? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share some game-changing strategies that'll have you owning the night like never before. Hey there, night owls! Whether you're a nurse, security guard, factory worker, or burning the midnight oil in any other profession, this video is for you. We're about to go into some seriously powerful tips that will transform your night shift experience. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox full of practical strategies to boost your energy, improve your sleep, and keep your health in check, even when the rest of the world is snoozing. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick win for you. Right now, stand up and do 10 jumping jacks. Seriously, I'll wait. Done? Feel that surge of energy? That's just a tiny taste of what's possible when you start taking control of your night shift health. Now, imagine feeling that good throughout your entire shift. Sounds pretty great, right? Look, I get it. Night shifts are tough. Your body clock gets all messed up, you're constantly fighting fatigue, and it feels like you're living in a parallel universe to everyone else. I've been there. For 3 years, I worked the graveyard shift at a 24-hour diner. I felt like a walking disaster until I discovered these life-changing strategies. But here's the thing, night shift work isn't going anywhere. About 20% of the workforce in industrialized countries work night shifts. It's a crucial part of our 24/7 world. The problem is, our bodies weren't exactly designed for this. Working nights messes with our circadian rhythms, which can lead to all sorts of health issues if we're not careful. Now, you might be thinking, I've tried everything: coffee, energy drinks, even those weird little naps in the break room. But what if I told you there's a completely different approach? One that doesn't just mask the symptoms but works with your body to help you thrive? There's one simple habit that most night shift workers overlook, but it can make a world of difference. I'll reveal it in just a few minutes, so keep watching. Before we go further into this video, like, share, and drop your views about this content, and subscribe. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers. Alright, let's jump into the good stuff. Here are 7 key strategies to stay healthy while working night shifts. 1. Master your sleep schedule. This is crucial. Your body needs consistent sleep, even if it's at odd hours. Try to sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours in one block. Blackout curtains, earplugs, and a white noise machine can be game changers. And here's a pro tip. Wear blue light-blocking glasses for a few hours before you hit the hay. They'll help your body produce melatonin, making it easier to fall asleep. 2. Nutrition is your secret weapon. What you eat can make or break your night shift. Avoid heavy, greasy meals that'll make you sluggish. Instead, focus on balanced meals with lean proteins, complex carbs, and plenty of veggies. Snack on nuts, fruits, and yogurt to keep your energy stable. And here's that simple habit I mentioned earlier. Start your shift with a protein-rich meal. It'll set you up for sustained energy throughout the night. 3. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Dehydration can sneak up on you during night shifts, leading to fatigue and decreased alertness. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water during your shift. If plain water gets boring, try herbal teas or infused water. Just steer clear of sugary drinks that'll cause energy crashes. 4. Move your body. Remember those jumping jacks? Regular movement is key. Take short walks during breaks, do some stretches, or even keep a resistance band at your workstation for quick exercises. This boosts circulation, keeps you alert, and helps combat the negative effects of sitting for long periods. 5. Manage your light exposure. Light plays a huge role in regulating your body clock. During your shift, expose yourself to bright light to stay alert. But when it's time to sleep, darkness is your friend. Use those blue light-blocking glasses I mentioned, and avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. 6. Create a wind-down routine. Just like kids need a bedtime routine, so do night shift workers. Develop a consistent pre-sleep ritual. This could include a warm shower, some light stretching, reading a book, or practicing meditation. It signals to your body that it's time to relax and sleep, even if the sun is shining outside. 7. Prioritize your days off. Use your free time wisely. Try to maintain a somewhat consistent sleep schedule, even on days off. It's tempting to flip back to a normal schedule, but this can wreak havoc on your body. Instead, gradually adjust your sleep times to enjoy some daylight and social activities without completely disrupting your rhythm. Now let's address the elephant in the room: caffeine. Yes, it can be helpful, but use it strategically. Limit your intake to the first half of your shift and cut it off at least 6 hours before your bedtime. And please, for the love of all that is holy, step away from those energy drinks. They're a recipe for crashes and jitters. But here's something you might not have considered: the power of social connection. Night shift work can be isolating, but maintaining strong social ties is crucial for your mental health. Make an effort to connect with your coworkers during shifts. Plan regular catch-ups with friends and family, even if they have to be at odd hours sometimes. And don't be afraid to join online communities for night shift workers. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone in this can make a world of difference. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how am I supposed to implement all of this? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The key is to start small. Pick 1 or 2 strategies that resonate with you and focus on those for a week. Once they become habits, add another. Before you know it, you'll be a night shift health ninja. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. Remember, this is a journey. There will be good nights and rough nights, but with these strategies in your back pocket, you'll be better equipped to handle whatever the night throws at you. And trust me, the payoff is worth it. Imagine feeling energized throughout your shift, sleeping soundly during the day, and having a life outside of work. It's not just possible, it's totally within your reach. Alright, night shift warriors, it's time for action. Here's what I want you to do. In the comments below, share one strategy from this video that you will implement this week. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? I'll be sharing more tips and tricks for mastering the night shift life. Remember, you're not just surviving the night shift, you're thriving in it. Now go out there and own the night. Until next time, stay healthy, alert, and most importantly, awesome.